Hey everyone, it's Sam Thomas. Hey, I want to answer a great question, and that is why do we do open houses and why do we do them so often? Some people think that they're a waste of time, and some people think, well, it's just a sneaky way for realtors, to get more leads and do more business at the expense of the seller's house for sale. The reality is, people love to go to open houses. People that are really, really buyers. In fact, 50% of our end buyers came from an open house. So that's a huge percentage. Well, why do they come to an open house? Surely they can just schedule an appointment with their realtor. The reality is people love to come to the open house because it's a non-threatening way. They can come out, they're not under the pressure of having their agent, schedule an appointment and getting all dressed up or whatever the case may be. They can informally come to an open house without feeling threatened or pressured in any way, and it's casual. And then what happens is they can sometimes fall in love with that house as well. Let me tell you why you want to do an open house if you're a seller. The reason why is you may have other people already interested in the house. The purpose of that open house is to get as many people as possible. Well, you think, well, hey, what if I'm already under contract? Or what if I'm about to get a contract? Should I still do that open house that weekend? Absolutely. And the reason why is because you never know what's going to happen to the contract that you have. It may go fine, it may stall out, or you know what? That buyer may get crazy and start leaning on you for heavy negotiations on repairs or concessions during the option period. You want other people interested in that house. In fact, ideally, you want a backup offer that's executed so you can gently tell that buyer under contract that, hey, if you do have to terminate, no big deal. We've got another offer already executed. So, hey, there is some huge value to the open house if you know what you're doing. All right, have a great day.